Show me your signs. Presenting the Yeagle Traveling Performance Troupe. It's Charlie's turn. Put your signs down. What do you call it when a cow... Change it, Charlie. Runs out of milk. An utter disaster! Oh! Okay, where's your sign, Charlie? No, wrong sign.
Hang on.
Okay.
My turn?
Yeah, your turn, Sunny. Oh, change it. It says troop. Change it to your next sign. There you go. Starring.
What? Where'd this one go?
Okay. There you go. Starring Ollie on her clarinet. Okay. Charlie, take her sign.
Ow.
Put him on the ground, Ollie. It's fine.
But they're gonna melt.
Play, Ollie.
I don't know what to play.
I don't know. Play something.
Play a potato. Play it. Just make noise. You told me just to make noise.
Come on, play something, because Sunny's going to sing and dance. Go, Sunny.
Yes. La 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 la.
Play Ghostbusters, Ollie.
You're hurting George.
We'll have to come back and play her clarinet. Yeah. Okay, where's the sign about the cookies?
Oh.
Here we go.
It's on the ground.
This is the big finale.
Jeez. And, oh my God.
And
That's
we
'cause I
brought
spat it
cookies.
out.
Take a
You
bow,
spat it
traveling
out.
troupe.
You spat it out.